Hey guys, welcome back. We have seen so many new details like the CAD images, we know the dimensions, also the case images for the next upcoming iPhone 14 lineup. But now we'll take a real life look at iPhone 14 Pro metal mockup, which will give us an idea that how it might look after the new hole punch design and a bigger camera sensor. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So recently Unbox Therapy got hands-on to this iPhone 14 Pro mockup and also compared it with the current iPhone 13 Pro. So yeah, the finishing on the back is just like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The camera sensors are a little bit bigger in size on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that is because of the new 48 megapixel bigger main sensor. Also the volume keys and power on off buttons are bigger than before and a lightning port to the bottom. But these are smaller changes. Some of you won't even notice when the iPhone 14 series would come. The huge change is on the front side, which is the pill-shaped hole punch design for the Face ID and selfie shooter. Also, Ross Young says because of this new display design and the smaller bezel size, the screen of the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max has also increased a little bit, where now the iPhone 14 Pro will have a 6.12 inch screen compared to a 6.0 inch screen. Likewise, Young said the iPhone 14 Pro Max will have 6.69 inch, which would be slightly higher than the 6.68 inch screen on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now talking about the shocking news, Apple is expected to increase the price with the iPhone 14 lineup. Yeah guys, the next gen iPhones are going to be $100 more expensive than the previous devices, which is absolutely insane, because for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, it is okay to pay slightly higher since they are finally bringing huge changes like new display design, latest Apple's A16 Bionic chip, and we also getting a new 48 megapixel large camera sensor for the first time. But if we talk about the regular models, the standard iPhone 14 and 14 Max, these devices are still stuck with the older notch design, same last year's A15 chip, and not even getting high refresh rate as well. So why people should pay higher for just nothing? But yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section what do you feel about this. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.